Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. Suppose if you have accidentally turned on Talkback, if you don't know how to turn it off, you can easily do it by following this video. Here, Talkback is activated and I cannot navigate to my phone easily, as I done normally. Okay.
Navigation bar home
So,
button.
if you want to turn it off, what you to do is just press volume up key and volume down key
Profile.
simultaneously.
Watch Lite Plus. Rate 5-star for Made in India apps. Rate 5-star for Made in India apps. Navigation bar home button. Double tap to activate. Accessibility volume set to 90%. Home but One UI home. Phone 3 notifications. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press actions available. Use tap with 3 fingers to view. Accessibility volume set to 90%. Accessibility volume set S. Music volume set to 0%. Music volume set to 0%.
Both volume keys are not working for me, so there is another method for that. Use your 2 fingers and swipe down to go to the settings.
Shade. Open settings button.
Tap on settings and double tap to go.
Settings.
And tap on accessibility.
Accessibility talk.
And double tap to go.
Accessibility.
And tap on Talkback.
Talkback
And double tap to go. And touch on
switch.
and double tap.
Turn off Talkback.
Click on turn off
button.
and double tap. Yes, now it is turned off. In this way, you can easily turn off Talkback in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.